Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So as many of you may know, the pronunciation of names change when said in different languages. Take the name Rachel for example. While in English it's said Rachel, in Finnish it's pronounced Rakel. In Scottish Gaelic it's pronounced Ruanich. And in Hebrew, Rachel. Today's topic is going to be the pronunciation of common names in Yiddish. Let's begin with a previous example. Ruchel, Ruchel. Rachel, Sura, Sura. Sarah, Chava, Chava. Eve, Duvod, Duvod. David, Rivka, Rivka. Rebecca, Yankov, Yankov. Jacob, Avruam, Avruam. Abraham, Shimon, Shimon. Simon, Miriam, Miriam. Miriam, Gabriel, Gabriel. Gabriel, Yehida, Yehida. Judah, Baila or Bailu. Bella, Pero or Penina. Pearl, Abigail, Abigail. Abigail, Pero, Pero. Barry, Joinason, Joinason. Jonathan, Sasha, Sasha. Sasha, Levi, Levi. Levi, Moshe, Moshe. Moses, Roizi, Roizi. Rose, Daniel, Daniel. Daniel, Yosef, Yosef. Joseph, Shmuel, Shmuel. Samuel, Hannah, Hannah. Hannah, Leah, Leah. Leah, Mechul, Mechul. Michael, Binyamin, Binyamin. Benjamin, Debora, Debora. Deborah, Noach, Noach. Noah, Shloimi, Shloimi. Solomon, Zachariah, Zachariah. Zachary, Aharon, Aharon. Aaron, Esther, Esther. Esther, Eliui, Eliui. Elijah, Udam, Udam. Adam, Yehidus, Yehidus. Judy, Ris, Ris. Ruth. Names that don't have a direct translation in Yiddish will just be pronounced according to the alphabet and the sounds available in the language. The L's turn to L's, the R's get rolled, and the English A sound turns to A. Some examples: Harper turns to Harper, Riley becomes Riley, and Andrew becomes Andrew. My Yiddish name is Esther Matl Mendlovich, while my English name is Esther Matl Mendlowitz. What's your name in Yiddish? Did any of the above pronunciations surprise you? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And as usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more Yiddish content. Tack för idag, להתראות, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!